back home for holidays and you have fun there and you sleep, and suddenly when you wake up, this is your vision. Dark on the outside, suddenly getting darker in the middle. Sounds terrifying, right? That's exactly what glaucoma patients go through every single day of their life. And the worst part, initially there are no symptoms, but later when there is substantial loss of cells, only then there is vision loss. Hence, glaucoma is called as the silent killer of sight. Now, what are these cells that I'm talking about? These cells are called retinal ganglion cells, short form RGCs, that give us the beautiful virtue of sight. My thesis work involved studying these RGCs and how they die off in glaucoma. There are different mechanisms, such as genetic mutations and a barrier that protects these cells from toxins. This barrier is more like a bouncer in a club, making sure who enters and who doesn't. It has to have like the highest resistance to unwanted people and low permeability or entry to these people. That's what I look in my healthy barrier, where I have highest resistance and low permeability. The coolest part of my project is that I derive all these different cell types and put them together using stem cells that have the potential to form any cell type of the body. So I can easily derive adult patient cells, bring them back to stem cells, and differentiate them to any cell type, ruling out species differences. Now I have two conditions, healthy and glaucoma, the difference between the two only being of the mutation. And we have seen that the glaucoma shows compromised barrier just because of the mutation. We have also identified a factor that has been responsible for this, called as TGF-beta2. Thus, our model, because of its versatility, we could mimic certain parts of glaucoma and can also be used for other disease modeling and other drug screening. For future directions, we'll be looking at how the RGCs affect the barrier. So do not underestimate the beautiful virtue of sight that you have, because not everyone is lucky to have it throughout their life. Thank you.